How to properly introduce yourself.
My name is Lucy. I live in Germany. I have a master's degree in applied linguistics. I have 2 years of experience in teaching English as a foreign language. Now, I live with my family in Frankfurt. I'm an honest person who appreciates hard work.
And prioritize my professional life over other things. I'm also a flexible person with a positive attitude towards my career and life. So I'm a fresher. I have theoretical knowledge, but I can work hard for my organization. I will put all my efforts into the good of it. I will also try to fulfill all the needs of our company. It's a great privilege for anyone to work in a reputed company like yours. Whilst doing my research about it, I realized that my skills match your requirements and that this is the best place where I can showcase my professional skills. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I would like to know about the job timing and transport facility. Also, I'd like to know about the job location as well as salary scales for this job. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more.